In this lecture, we're gonna show how we can edit our sketch. So let's first create a sketch. Let's choose from plane. And now let's draw a circle here, like this. Let's go to smart dimension. And let's make a radius, actually diameter of 100 millimeters, like this. Let's click OK and let's exit sketch. And now we can see that our sketch is here on the feature manager design tree, sketch 1. And now, for example, we want to change the diameter of our circle. So we can just click here, left click, and here we have an edit sketch. Let's edit sketch, and now let's double click on the diameter. Let's make a diameter 150 millimeters, like this. Now we can click OK and exit sketch. And now we have edited our sketch. You can also right click on the sketch, and also here you have edit sketch. And now you can change the dimension, for example, to 100, like this. Or maybe you want to delete this sketch, like this, and create some other sketch, for example, line, like this. And let's exit sketch. And now our sketch is only a line. And now if you look at here at this icon, after the icon, here we have a minus. And this is because our sketch is not fully defined. So let's go to our sketch again, edit sketch. Let's make this line horizontal. And let's put some dimension. Like this, let's click OK. OK, and now we can see that our sketch is fully defined. Now let's exit sketch. And now we don't have that minus. So if you see that minus on your design tree here, that means that your sketch is not fully defined. So you better run in the sketch and define your sketch. If you want to delete your sketch, you can right click here on the sketch and delete. Then you have a question, delete the following item, sketch 1, yes. And now your sketch has been deleted.